Now this is the Dimplex Willowbrook Optimyst. Purchased it yesterday, and I have to say it is absolutely wonderful. Electric with the simulation of actual flames using a mist. Now this is my second Willowbrook. The first was not performing as I would have expected from looking at the videos on YouTube. The mist wasn't as high as I would have expected for the highest flame. And so I brought it back, and it seemed clear that the previous version was, the previous product that I purchased was already used. So you need to be very careful when purchasing the Optimyst range from Dimplex. The advantages from what I've experienced thus far is that they're very sensitive. You need to look after them very well, but the effect is truly wonderful. I cannot see any difference from this position in relation to a natural flame and this flame. If I go closer on the camera, it looks very similar to a natural flame. Now I don't have the actual heater on, I just have the flame on, and even with that alone it is very therapeutic, it's very soothing. I paid approximately 600 euros for it. It's approximately 550 pounds or thereabouts, pounds sterling. But it is a very good purchase, and I would highly recommend it.